Welcome to the year 2019. I'm Scott alongside my good friend Rob here, and it is Friday, January 4th.
Now, Skil returns from vacation, and two new vacs ensure that 2019 is definitely gonna suck.
We look at some final tool comparisons of 2018 and even some year-end awards. These stories and more coming up next.
This is your Coptool Weekend Review.
Having trouble getting back to work after a week of vacation? Well, try coming back after 2 years. Skil Power Tools did just that this week by posting videos that detail their new 12-volt battery platform. We've recently seen the new series reviewed by the teams at Tools in Action and Workshop Addict, and everyone came away both surprised and impressed by the features, including a new digital brushless motor, a ring LED light similar to Ingersoll Rand, and even the built-in USB ports on their batteries. You'll find the new videos at Skil on YouTube.
Kobalt and Makita are determined to make 2019 suck far more than 2018 did, with the addition of two new cordless wet-dry shop vacs. We caught a glimpse of Makita's new 18-volt HEPA vacuum at toolguide.com, boasting a brushless motor and 60 minutes of runtime on their 5 amp-hour battery. In a darker shade of blue, Travis at Tools by Design shared a preview of the new 24-volt Kobalt vac, also brushless and equipped with a HEPA filter, as well as a 5-year warranty. Now, they have surprisingly similar specs, but as you might imagine, not so similar price points. You can take a look at both models at the links below.
Initially, I thought that this latest addition to the Ryobi 18-volt ONE+ lineup was a fog machine, which would make a lot of sense alongside their LED Bluetooth speaker disco ball. But sadly, it turns out this fogger is not for turning the party up, but rather keeping insects, weeds, and fungus down. The half-gallon chemical tank is capable of spreading fungicide, herbicide, and insecticide over 1,000 square foot space in less than a minute. Check out all the features on this new Ryobi fogger at toolcraze.net.
Looking out for concrete drillers the world over, Tim at toolsofthetrade.net closed out 2018 with an excellent comparison of cordless rotary hammer drills with onboard dust extraction. He covered DeWalt, Bosch, Milwaukee, Hitachi, Metabo, Makita, and Hilti. After framing two basements, there were winners for power and winners for dust collection. Before you start your year breathing silica dust, be sure to visit toolsofthetrade.net.
Well, it's 2019, y'all, which means you've got a whole new year ahead of you to put those power tools to good use. And Sarah's got a few ideas for you in her projects of the week.
Happy New Year, everyone! My projects this week both come from Bob at I Like to Make Stuff. Bob does a complete overhaul to his outdated mudroom and brings it back to life with new flooring, custom shelves and signs, a new cast iron sink, resurfaced cabinets, a fresh paint, and finally, a custom basswood bench. Tacked onto the end of his mudroom update, Bob shares this video of how he made the bench as well. He used basswood and steel for the bench and then adds a custom drip tray underneath for wet boots. So if you are looking for ways to accomplish your New Year's resolution of actually finishing projects around the house and need some inspiration, check out I Like to Make Stuff on YouTube. That's it for me this week. If you find a project that you think I need to feature on the show, go ahead and send it to me in an email at projects@coptool.com.
Thanks, Sarah. Brian at Workshop Addict lent his tool review expertise to wrenches and rides this week as he and Jeff compared the Gen 3 Milwaukee M18 drill driver against the new Octane drill from Rigid. Brian and Jeff dove deep into the features of each, considering size, heat, performance, and more. With both models using the 6 amp-hour battery, who won this hotly contested tool face-off? TTI did, of course. The parent company always wins. So whether you prefer red or orange, this review is worth the watch at wrenchesandrides.com.
We all know a lot of you are ready to buy some new tools with that Christmas money you got from Aunt Carol. And if you're like me, you only put down your hard-earned cash for award-winning tools. Fortunately, Sarah and the experts at Tools in Action have us covered. The TIA crew announced the 2018 winners of the Tools in Action Awards. This year, instead of filling categories, they chose to simply pick their top 25 favorite new tools. The list contains several usual suspects from Milwaukee, DeWalt, Bosch, and more. We didn't find anything we disagree with on that list, but we did note a few missing, like the Ryobi disco ball, especially considering the launch of that new smoke machine.
Turns out it's not for parties.
Okay, never mind. You can see the entire list at toolsinaction.com.
The team at Skillbuilder also took time to reflect on 2018 as Robin and Roger chose a less professional setting to reminisce.
It's Christmas time in a drunk tank.
Well, after thanking their faithful subscribers, they shared their favorite moments and products of the year, then dive into a hilarious compilation of all their best bloopers and on-screen mistakes from 2018. If only we could relate, as the Coptool team never makes a mistake on camera.
Yeah, right.
I'm joking. This is my 5th time trying to get this right. And I'm mostly sober.
Mostly.
Well, to go see the video for yourself at Skillbuilder on YouTube.
And finally, in our latest Inside Look, Scott teamed up with local craftsman and good friend, Jason Brown, to review the new DeWalt 20-volt Max jigsaw. It was Jason's first time on camera for Coptool, and he knocks it out of the park. He gave us great insight into the features of both the DCS 331 and the new 334, demonstrating why the new XR model is a worthwhile upgrade. If you want to see Scott and one of his hipster maker friends get excited about jigsaws and the batteries that power them, be sure to check out our review right here on Coptool.
All right, guys, that's going to do it for us this week. Congratulations to Edna Williams. Edna was last week's winner of the Makita Combo Kit, courtesy of Ohio Power Tool. Rob, what do we have in store for January?
All right, I'm really excited about this. So Milwaukee reached out to us and suggested that probably all of our viewers would have a better 2019 if they started off more organized. And what better way to get it organized than with Milwaukee's pack-out system. So for the next 4 weeks in a row, we're gonna have a different Milwaukee pack-out kit for you to enter and win right here at coptool.com/contest. So this week specifically, we're gonna give away the rolling toolbox and a 15-inch pack-out tote.
Both?
Yeah, wow. So I'm really excited about this too, partially because Milwaukee just sent us our own pack-out kit, specifically for us to use with our camera equipment, because unlike most of our audience that takes their tools to work, we take a lot of camera equipment onto the job site to shoot our inside looks. And so they suggested we try out their kit, and we're gonna do that. We're waiting for a delivery from Kaizen Inserts, which we're really excited about that.
Thank you, Kaizen.
Yep, he's gonna help us out by helping us make custom inserts for all of our camera equipment, so we'll see how that works. We're gonna make a big video about that and share that with you. And we'll be sharing pictures on Instagram throughout the process as we get it all to work, so be sure to follow us there.
That's awesome. If you are thinking about getting organized, let us know what you would put in your Milwaukee pack-out rolling toolbox in the comments below. And if you can't wait to see who wins this, you know you can check out great deals on Milwaukee pack-out at ohiopowertool.com. That's going to do it for episode 41. We'll see you next week for 42.
Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys.
Oh, yes. Thanks, guys. Bye.
Bye.